We were running on fumes, just going through the days, talking about nothing, staring separate ways. Then a rusty old Ford showed up on a trailer, 66 Mustang, looked tight as our patience. Paint was flaky, motor wouldn't turn, marriage felt the same. Guess we both had some learning. You grabbed a wrench, I struck a light. Didn't fix the car, but we talked that night. We built it back together, both our boats. Burned our hands,
once you're wearing proper PPE, safety first, Art. Safety first. Everybody's for safety. I'm doing my part.
Fixed what was broke, didn't even know. Now that engine rolls like our hearts used to. Funny how love works with a little oil and truth. Yeah, we didn't just save that Mustang well, we built us back together. You laugh at me, welding crooked lines. I teach about that primer for the 5th damn time. Radio playing some old George Jones, arguing about cards like we weren't alone. Grease on your cheek, sweat in your hair, didn't look like trouble, looked like we cared. Some nights we fought, some nights we prayed, most nights just worked till the hurt went away. We built it back together, scar by scar, turned old silence into sparks. Every busted knuckle taught us something true, about sticking it out when it's hard to do. Now we chase and rumble down back roads forever. Yeah, love runs better when you build it together. Now we got more projects than sense. Friends say all gone, yeah, hell no, not since. It ain't about the car, never was. It's about showing them love, the things don't run. Yeah, we built it back together, me and you. Out of rise we bred into stubborn fools. Now the driveway's full and the nights are long. Marriage tuned up, run out strong. If it ever breaks down, you already know. Grab a wrench, take a breath, go slow. That old Mustang tied us together. Yeah, verdict it now.